Have you ever bought software that you know can do exactly what you need it to do, but then you go crazy trying to figure out how to use it? Well, we've got some great news for you. Look, audio recording and editing has never been easier with the software that's out there today and can help your work with podcast production, hobby and church audio, audiobook narrations, and of course, to help you earn a decent income as a working professional voiceover or voice actor in your own home studio. The Rolls-Royce of the audio software world is undoubtedly Adobe's Audition software, and even though the subscription of about $30 a month includes all the latest regular updates, we know many people can't afford that. In fact, the fee for all of Adobe's interlinked programs is about $790 a year. Now, if you stop paying the subscription, of course, the software simply won't work anymore. Wouldn't it be good to have a sophisticated audio recording and editing program that's also packed with features, but it costs only one low fee, and you have it forever? Well, there is one out there. It's called Wavepad from the NCH Corporation. Here at VoiceOver Masterclass, we've used and recommended Wavepad for years. But to be honest, the training videos from the manufacturer as to how to use it effectively and to take advantage of all the many features are short and, to be honest, pretty vague in places. And some of the official videos are actually out of date. So we've created this all-in-one video-based training course for NCH Wavepad that takes you from basic recording and cutting out mistakes to very sophisticated file cutting, filtering and effects manipulation that will get you working effectively with the software fast. You'll be able to record, edit, file, cut and add effects, and whether you're very technical or a complete beginner, we have both sides covered. You'll learn compression techniques and equalization to make your voice sound better and to mask any audio issues. And you'll learn how to export your audio in a variety of formats for different needs. You'll understand Wavepad's unique bookmark and region system, which can save so much time in editing audiobooks or putting answers to recorded interview questions, say for a podcast, in a different order. Wavepad can offer a whole lot of voice-changing facilities that can make you sound like a monster, a sprite, or a spaceship computer voice.
Hi there, I'm Eddie, your onboard shipboard computer.
You can use many third-party software plugins for extra effects using the VST and DirectX capability of Wavepad, and we'll show you exactly how to do this. Plus, if you have any problems with hiss or hum, or you need to make the audio sound clean in any way, you'll learn Wavepad's powerful arsenal of tools to help do this. You'll learn how to mix music, fade files, add reverberation and echo realistically, and to batch process a long list of files in seconds. Plus, you'll save time by creating easy-to-remember keyboard shortcuts for your most used actions. You know, here at VoiceOver Masterclass, we use audio editing programs every day, all day, so you can trust us to teach you well. To be honest, what is not in this comprehensive course is not worth learning. So if you're ready to get started, click below to watch a free preview or access the full course now, and I'll see you on the inside.